Just in at Unique Specialty Classics. Here's a 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Obviously you can see this one is done up and it is custom. Kind of white and raspberry in color, I would say that is. Nice looking paint on it. Stripes are painted on. You can see they have a nice gloss shine to them. So paint very nice in this car. Blacked out grille. Rolling on 24s. Custom show car look. Underneath the hood, we got a small block Chevy power in this car. Sounds good, has a set of headers on it. Also has power steering, power brakes. Appears to be a crate engine in it. I'll pop the hood when we get around to the other side in a bit. You can check it out, but does not look like the factory engine bay you would have found on 87 Monte Carlos. Interior done up to match the exterior. Kind of that raspberry and cream interior. Split bench seat. Custom stereo in it. Other than that, the dash is pretty much stock. If you'd like to check out the still pictures of this car, like to see underneath it, check out the engine bay, feel free to take a look underneath the video here in the description. There'll be a link. Click on that. It'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call if you have any questions on this one. 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this. We can also assist with transportation if you'd like to get this car to where you're located at. That raspberry color carried throughout the wheels. It does have a custom wheel. Like I said, 24s. Let's go ahead and pop this door. Show you something else. Obviously, handles have been shaved. Right on the back side of the mirror here. Get around so you can see it. That's how you popped open the door. Door has electric poppers on it. Again, you can see the door cards been done up custom to match the, like I said, kind of the raspberry and cream theme, or raspberry and white on the outside. Interior is very nice shape. Custom carried through the headliner. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. Like I said, small block Chevy underneath the hood, does have headers, got a nice sound to it. Custom stereo, aftermarket I should say. We get a dash in nice shape, lots of times you see these with a crack. Here's all the gauges do work, except for possibly that tack they may not have hooked up. They installed a different engine, would be my guess. Engine here, it's got a great sound to it. Get it off high idle so you can see, hear this kind of lowly idle to it. Little different sound than it would have had when it rolled off the Chevy dealer's floor. So pretty done up custom Monte Carlo here. Once again, check out the still pictures. They can be found at Unique Classic Cars, or click on the link below this video in the description. And again, our number is 507-386-1726. Better warm up. I'm going to pop the hood so you can take a look at the engine bay on this too. You see the car is nice and straight. Again, paint's nice on it. We'll go ahead and pop the hood. I think I can reach it. Let me pause this video and I'll get it open and come back show you the engine bay. Alright, here you go. See, done up valve covers, headers. When they did take off the AC, still has power steering, power brake. Runs smooth, sounds good. 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, rolling on 24s. Once again, give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to assist you with transportation, get this car to where you're located at. Check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.